Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Everything and More. Okay, let's start the quiz on circulatory system. First question: what is the main function of heart? Option A: circulation of blood. Option B: digestion of food. Option C: gases exchange. Option D: body movements. Correct answer is option A: circulation of blood. And second question: how many chambers are present in human heart? Option A: 2 chambers. Option B: 3 chambers. Option C: 4 chambers. Option D: 6 chambers. Correct answer is option C: 4 chambers. And next question: which blood vessels have the valves? Option A: arteries. Option B: veins. Option C: both arteries and veins. Option D: none of the above. Answer is option B: veins. And next question, fourth question: study of heart is called option A: pulmonology. Option B: nephrology. Option C: neurology. Option D: cardiology. Answer is option D: cardiology. And next question, fifth question: which type of vessels carries the deoxygenated blood? Option A: arteries. Option B: veins. Option C: both A and B correct. Option D: neurons. Answer is option B: veins. Okay. This is the today biology quiz on circulatory system. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.